Why does your scanner show the P0546 engine code? And what does it mean? The P0546 engine fault code stands for Exhaust Gas Temperature Sensor Circuit, High Bank 1, Sensor 1. It means that there is a malfunction related to the exhaust gas temperature sensor circuit. The main purpose of the sensor is to protect the catalytic converter from heat damage. In this situation, cease driving and have your vehicle repaired immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty EGT sensor, wiring issues, exhaust leaks, lean air/fuel ratio, ECM failure. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. The P0546 engine error code is a generic powertrain code applicable to all OBD2-equipped vehicles from 1996 and newer, but it is more frequently found in specific models such as Chevrolet Silverado, Audi vehicles, Mercedes-Benz Sprinter. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.